already. Let me simply create a new one. In case you don't know how to create a new one, you go to new and then this thing will pop up. Or if you want to delete it, you simply select it and then you press X on your keyboard. Then you delete it. That's it. So you can create a new one by simply first you need to put in the center. You Shift and C, then to be in the center, and then Shift A. Then select what you want. Like say it in image, and then I have to take cube. So this is the cube. Okay. In a cube, we can reside it. We can drag it around if we want to. Like let me simply reside SZ. Okay. Make it smaller like this. Okay. You can see it. Let me take it up there. Yeah. SZ. And make it a little bigger. Okay. Now, I simply want to animate this thing, and to do this, right? At the bottom here, you can see that there is a timeline here. So you simply have to hit this red button for record. Now I'm going to drag these things up. Well, I want to put my scale to 10 and then drag it up to here and then put it up to 20 there and then put it back like this up to here, and then I'm gonna take it to 30, and then this time I'm gonna take it up to there. Okay, then let me take it up to 40. Okay, and then move it back up to here. So from there I'm gonna end it at 39. Let me put it like this. Okay, let me try to play it and you will see the impact. Okay, play it. You see? Yep, that's how you can do it in a simple way like that. Okay, and nothing is hard. You simply have to follow the rules. Simply follow the rules. Okay, the next thing that I will show you later, maybe in the next video, is how you can be able simply to do it in what we call it is what called a dope sheet, like this one. You can see that there's a bunch of let me check you there. Yeah, this thing that you see there, like this is button or pattern or any, you can call the name that you want. This is where we can delete, we can select any of this. This is how it shows when we are animating this particular object. Anyway, yeah, catch me up in my next video. Thank you. In any case, if you want to know anything concerning about this animating, like you have difficulty doing it right now, I will show you what I know already. I'm not expert on this, but I'm simply a learner. Thanks for watching.